If you are looking for rare and unusual chemicals, you have come to the right place. City Chemical is a manufacturer of rare and unusual chemicals, many of which cannot be found anywhere else in the world. Over 14,000 rare and hard-to-find chemicals in stock and ready to ship now. ResponseAbility means we deliver widest selection, best prices, and the fastest service. We serve many different industries. One of the many products we manufacture is gold Resinate. Contact us today to request a full catalog or a custom quote.